YouTube updates. This week we start with a playlist feature, which is called playlist voting. It's turned off by default. The creator can actually turn it on only in the YouTube main app, not on desktop, not in the studio app, just the main app. And they can turn it on for either everyone or only collaborators. Collaborators are people that you invite to your playlist that can actually contribute videos to the playlist, which is kind of a nice thing. Once you've set up the eligibility, every eligible account, so either the collaborators or everyone or no one, can cast votes. And every account has exactly one vote. And if you want more info on that feature, please leave a comment below. I think it's quite a nice addition, especially for not only collaborating on, for example, a music playlist that is played in your car for the user side of things, but also for creators, which can host maybe a little contest, let's say Minecraft building contest or some form of challenge, and let users vote with a playlist feature whose video is the best. I think it could be quite interesting. Please let me know your thoughts on this, and let's move on to the next experiment. Because last year, A/B testing for thumbnails was rolled out, and a lot of people wanted A/B testing for titles. So there's currently an experiment going around, which is obviously very close alpha, and I have seen some experimental screenshots of this, one being featured here. The creator asked me to redact their title, so it's not clear who sent it to me. But yeah, you can enter up to 3 variations of a title, 3 thumbnails, which is, as we all know, the thumbnail A/B testing, and a combination of 3 titles and 3 thumbnails, which is quite interesting. I am very, very curious how this will work out with the auto-dubbing and auto-translations of titles and descriptions, because in my head, that would mean that all the variants needs to be translated as well. Which is not that big of a deal for titles, because titles are what, like 100 characters? It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I'm especially curious if this will give even more impressions, if this will maybe decrease impressions, decrease accuracy. We will have to wait and see how this turns out. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay updated on this feature and, of course, all the other features that we talk about for creators. And yeah, please let me know your thoughts, how you feel about A/B testing for titles, if you want to use it. And yeah, I will keep you updated. Thanks again for watching, and see you again next week for more YouTube updates.